Let's go again for a very simple project again, uh, which is how to use a mature sensor. Click on create, start second story. Rename your project use uh, mature mature uh, sensor and so on. The mature sensor is widely used in agriculture firm and in research firm. It allows us to measure the dryness of the soil, to take decision and give data to our circuit, or let our circuit know if you have to do something. For example, we use measure sensor in projects related to agriculture firm, like watering plant. After receiving that uh, the soil is dry, we can use it in the gardening, in a type of gardening session or automation plants whenever in farming. So let's add an Arduino here. Uh, uh, we're going to use a DC motor. This DC motor is going to be connected to the GNT of the Arduino. This is the GNT of the Arduino. This is sorry, this is what? This is the power, this is the ground, and this is the signal. So this is connected to, this is what we power. This is going to be connected uh, so to 5 volt, of course. This is going to be connected to 5 volt. Okay, let's change this color, and this is obviously black, the JT. This is connected to generator pin number 2. Let's use the yellow, no, the, the green color. This is connected to the ground, the GND of the Arduino. This is the GND of the one of the GNT of the Arduino, black. And this is the signal which is connected to an analog, to a digital, sorry, to an analog pin A0. This is connected to analog pin A0. This is yellow, right, very good. Now let's go for the code. Here we want, for example, to measure the dryness of the soil. We want to give to the circuit that at a certain level of dryness, if dryness equal to, for example, 300, we want to water our plant, or we want to give light to the plant. So let's move this. Uh, sorry, this is what? Or is it? Okay, to bin, to a bin. Okay, this is to bin. Right, very good. Now we want to add an if else statement, because if the soil is dry, we need to water the plant. Else, so we have to put a math comparison. This is uh we want to measure the level of dryness our plant by reading the analog pin setting to A0. Well, uh, we need to set we need to set pin the output uh, the output pin set pin to higher, and then set pin to low. The As you may know, the 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 DC motor is connected to generator pin 2. When the source is right, we need to activate the file on generator pin number 2. We will put it at high level, and otherwise, if the source is not dry at all, we're going to set it at the low level. So let's start the let's start the simulation. There is one why uh, maybe we didn't add a resistor to the circuit, but okay, where is the issue? We're going to damage the Arduino. This is not a good practice at all. But if you zoom with my screen and start the simulation, we can see that at some certain level, start the simulation. As you know, the soil is wet, but here there is not enough water. So okay, here the soil is right, but when we increase the value, the soil is wet. So we don't need to turn on the fan or the circuit. When we is here, the soil is dry. But when it's here, the soil is wet. Again, dry. So we turn on the fan. This means that we are watering our plants. But when it is here, the soil is wet. The plant don't need any more waters to survive. So this is how to use a moisture sensor to measure the dryness of the soil. So see you soon for the next causes.